Sanibona bafethu uvanele so kuneyindaba ke eziphumile izolo regarding uRulani Mkwena. Bafethu uRulani Mkwena uyahamba kwiMC Alger. Kuthiwa he's on the verge of being appointed as the new Al Ittihad SC coach following i-offer enkulu umjida anikezwe. Kuthiwa nje uhambile waletha iletha yokuthi umjida uyacisha icontract yakhe with uMC Alger and uyojoina iclub yale eLibya bafethu okuthiwa iAl Ittihad SC. Msho abantu abaningi bayibuza ukuthi hayibo iAl Ittihad yakuphi because thina sazi iAl Ittihad yale eSaudi Arabia bafethu kukhona iAl Ittihad edlala khona la eAfrica bafethu eyale eLibya. Kuthiwa le club ayoyicoacha bafethu kuthiwe izokhokha 4 months of Rulani's salary to secure his release. 2 months as per contract terms plus additional 2 months as a goodwill gesture to help finalize the deal. Le team is serious ngempela bafethu ukuthi uRulani Mkwena imlande azojoina ibani iAl Ittihad SC. Yabo kodwa ke ngizofuna ukukhuluma nje ngale club le because it seems like abantu abaningi abayazi le club. Nami ngokwami ingithusile indlela espenakho. They are spending on lots of players. Basayina abadlali ngapha nangapha. Abadlali ababiza ngempela. Abadlali bungeke uzuyitshela ukuthi ungababona bayodlala le eAl Ittihad. Yabo. So ngizokhuluma nje ngale club. iAl Ittihad Tripoli club le bafethu eyasungulwa ngo1994 le eTripoli eLibya. Le club le is one of the biggest teams edlala le eLibya bafethu ifana njenge Orlando Pirates khona inezicoco ngoba nje inezicoco eziningi ifan base yakhona inkulu kakhulu yabo bama rivals with the club ebizwa ngeAl Ahly Tripoli yakhona le futhi eLibya. Kule transfer window leyababuya kuyona basayina one of the biggest stars akhona kwibhola la eAfrica. Remember ke bafethu iWydad Casablanca yasayina bani na uStefan Aziz Ki benobani na noThembi Nkosi Lodge abajida basayinwa esuka kuYoung Africans umjida omunye wesuka kwiMamelodi Sundowns babasayina bahamba nabo bayodlala le kwiClub World Cup yabo abajida basathanda kudayiswa. The same club bafethu went to Wydad Casablanca with imali yasho ukuthi labajida laba siyabadinga. Labajida laba sebadinga nayi imali sifuna ukubathenga. Abasayina ngemali eningi kakhulu amafans amaningi amangala ukuthi hayibo ile team iqhamuka phi sizonikeza abadlali abanje ngoThembi Nkosi Lodge imholo enkulu kangaka. Remember uThembi Nkosi Lodge umholo awuhola njengamanje is one of the biggest paycheck umjida leya nayo uyithole kuyona le club le. So umjida uyahola ngempela lapha yabo. So into ayayonza lapha akusiyo nje ukuyodlala nje ibhola yabo akayili uyodlala ibhola because le team le iyamkhokhela ngempela imali yabo. So I'm sure abantu bayibuza ukuthi why besayina labadlali laba, why besayina uRulani Mkwena kahle kahle ngempela yini labafuna ukuyizuza yabo. Ngokuzwa kwami kukhona into abafuna ukuyizuza abajida because remember ke iLibya yabo is not a giant kwibhola la eAfrica. Is not a giant. Bajida abaziwa kakhulu ibhola lakhona alaziwa. iLeague yakhona ayaziwa. So ngokusayina labadlali laba bafuna ukuattract more fans akhona kwibhola la eAfrica. So le team le bafethu ihambile yolanda ama sponsors amaningi. Yabo lama sponsors lawo asponsorishe le team le ukuthi ilande ama fans akhona la eAfrica bafethu ukuze bazokwazi bayibheke khona kuzofika more fans azobukela iLeague yakhona bafethu eLibya. Le team le ifuna ukudominate continental bafuna ukudominate balande abadlali vele bayaziyo icontinental football. Njengoba beyazi nje icontinental football bekushoda nga one thing yabo. Yes abadlali bangalazi ibhola la Africa yabo bangalazi ibhola but ke ubani ozoba coacha ingabe ukhona yini ucoach o good enough for these players to complete ibhola la Africa yabo. Bahlala phansi babheke ukuthi ubani ocoach abakhona la eAfrica yabo. Sebabona ukuthi cha uRulani Mkwena vele icontract yakhe with iMC Alger yabo ayikho that long and umjida basengakwazi ukuthi ke bamsayine bakhulume naye yabo bamnikeza icontract. Nakuke sebekhuluma naye uRulani Mkwena bafethu uRulani Mkwena bafethu uyalazi ibhola la Africa yabo uyalazi ibhola la eAfrica yize engakazi ayiwine iChampions League but ke uma usukhulume ngoRulani Mkwena uyalazi ibhola. Uqhamuka le koMorocco, uqhamuka le koAlgeria right now ula yabo useLibya right now ubedominateile with iMamelodi Sundowns le eSouth Africa. So umjida uyayazi into ayoyenza lapha. Njengoba belande yena bayazi vele ukuthi umjida uyalazi ibhola. Usebenzisanile noThembi Nkosi Lodge kuMamelodi Sundowns basebenzisana futhi nayo le kuWydad Casablanca. So this is a perfect recipe. For le team le ukuthi badinga ucoach obaziyo labadlali abakhulu kanje yabo ozokwazi ukuthi akwazi ukuba controller akwazi ukukeep the best out of these players. So ngokwami mina this is a big decision ethathwe ile team le and i decision right kakhulu. Engizokusho bafethu, maningi ama-players engisazowabona emove kule league le. Maningi ama-players enizowabona esayinwa uRulani aqhamuka la kwi-Betway Premiership because le team inemali. Njengoba nje le team inemali, uRulani Mkwena uyayithanda i-team enemali because they will buy more players for him. Njengoba bezothenga more players for him, ilapho khona ezodominate khona, ezokwazi ukuthi abajida abathathe abayise more continental, bakwazi ukuthi badlale ba-challenge for i-Champions League because ngokubuka kwami bafuna uku-achieve i-Champions League. Le team le bafethu ayikakaze iwine i-Champions League ngaphambilini, so bafuna ukudominate continentally, so they've signed the best out of the best. Ngithuke nje bafethu ukubona oMabasa bedayiswa beya la kulama club lawa because le team le inemali, because uRolani uyamthanda uMabasa. You never know, but ke wena ngokwakho, do you think this is the best decision for uRolani Mkwena ukuthi ahambe asuke lapha ku-MC Alger? Mina ngokwami bekungangcono mhlawumbe uRolani ukube mhlawumbe uzamile ukuthi alinde kancane iziphele isizini, yabo, awine i-league with i-MC Alger. Nje uzohamba njengamanje nje ngeke kube nayo taste each and every team ekhona la Africa ayizobona ukuthi no man, uRolani Mkwena shuthi akusiyena ucoach ongamthemba kakhulu, because ungasufike noma yipi nje i-deal phambi kwakhe angashesha ayithathe, yabo, ashiye kanjalo i-project aseyakhile with le team le ayakhile. Ngeke kube mnandi ngempela. So I was really disappointed ukuzwa indawo ukuthi usheshe wahamba, but ke I'm happy for the South African countrymen ukuthi we are represent futhi South Africa once again in another African country. Let's hope umjida izinto izomhambela kahle, zingahambi njenga kwi-Wydad Casablanca. If you remember ku-Wydad Casablanca izinto ayihambanga kahle for umjida, yabo, kwase kunezinkulumo esazizikhona and the fans were demanding win. So I hope umjida uzofika enze kahle lapha, noThembi Nkosi bazokwazi ukuthi bayiphathe kahle under isandla sakhe uRolani Mkwena, cause njoba beyalena nje bayo represent South Africa. Steven Aziz-Ki, I don't really know a lot about this player bafethu. Umjida ngangitsho ukuthi umjida ontswembu, but ke ever since wajoin iWydad Casablanca I don't see a lot about umjida, yabo. Ever since nje, yabo, umjida waba rumored to join ama-team ala eSouth Africa, umjida aperform, but ngambona edlala against iKaizer Chiefs wayinikeza inkinga. Kunezinye futhi nezindaba engizwile namhlanje regarding uRulani ezingithusile, but ke ngizwe kuthiwa akusizona iqiniso. Ngizwe kuthiwa umjida utholakala e-airport with imali, yabo. Ngeke ngazi ke noma ziyiqiniso noma isilona yini iqiniso lezo indawo. Kuthiwa utholakala nemali enkulu kakhulu, imali ebalela ko 200,000. So imali engako ku-coach Rolani Mkwena, leyo nto leyo imenze wadetainwa amapholisa. Manje uyasikhuluma nje use-police station nje manje, use-police station ubanjwe amaphoyisa ale eMorocco, akasuka eMorocco, kumele ahambe ayele eLibya ayoqala izinto, ayohamba asayine i-contract khona ezo-appointwa as the new coach. But ke ingengazi mhlambe sisazoyithola indaba edevelopayo, ngizoni-update nje bafethu regarding le indaba lezi. But ke Rolani Mkwena will join the new Al Ittihad SC Tripoli, iclub yale yase Libya. Ungangitshela wena uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba le?